I'm currently pursuing final year of Mathematics in the branch of Computer Science in Vishnu Institute of Technology from Bhimavaram. So, thank you for giving this opportunity to ZeoTap for assigning an assignment which is based on a chatbot. It's a support agent chatbot for like just like a customer data platforms, just like Segment, Empirical, Latix, and ZeoTap. So, let's get into the project. So this is the scraper which is capable of scraping the relevant data the customer or any user is searching upon. So I made use of Elasticsearch instance for handling the server in order to make a collaboration to search the data and retrieve the data and give the corresponding relevant data to the user. And for scraping the documents depending upon the search queries, I made use of scrape docs function. And in order to index the documents, we need to make sure that each and every appropriate document gets indexed and retrieved back to the user. So you can see here, uh, we need to start the main file here, and the relevant documents of the particle, and you can see nearly 60 documents which are related to particle got indexed, and next to particle lytics docs are getting indexed, and zerotype docs are getting indexed. And after these documents are getting indexed, we need to make sure that everything is appropriate. So yes, this is for indexing each and every document. This is the index map. Just like depending upon our query and each term related to our query are indexed depending upon the term. Like just like it can be navigated to the appropriate documentation file. Just like if you are searching for any concept regarding the particle, the index the index of the document regarding the particle will get retrieved. And okay, this is all this is main.py and scraper.py is related to the backend. And when it comes to front end, this is an index.html file for designing the chatbot. You can see here, this input is for taking the query, and this is for this drop down is for choosing the CDP platform like Segment, Empirical, Lytics, ZeoTap. I don't know for what reason Segment CDP is not performing well, so I neglect it and I worked on Empirical, Lytics, ZeoTap. Accurately, it's working, and Segment is not working properly, just like that. And this is for giving the response to the user. I mean, any sort of relevant metadata documentation along with the navigation link to make sure that user will get the relevant data. Okay, let's see the application. Let's see the application. Yes, this is the platform. This is the chatbot. Okay, I will choose Embarticle as my CDP, and let's say I'll take this query, and I will ask my chatbot to give associated data related to Embarticle with regard to my query, and I will submit. So here it comes. It's a metadata snippet. This one is any sort of relevant anchor tags related to this query, any sort of associated data. It processes every term in my query and gives the metadata snippet and processes and scrapes the data along with it, and it gives the link to the precise information it scraped related to our query, so that user can be able to Just navigate to it. Here it comes. Next, let us check with another one. How can I integrate my data with Zeotab? And we'll submit our query here. We'll choose Zeotab. Okay, you can see here segment orchestration, data collection, integrations, GDPR integrations, the similar ones associated to our query will get retrieved here. And okay, let's check here. Let's check this with regard to Lytics. We'll choose Lytics. So next thing is for every HTTP query exchange, we'll see here, depending upon our submissions, in every post protocol will get accessed here. You can see here. Till now we have chosen, we have submitted 3 queries, right? And for every query, it chooses. The post protocol will get executed in the background. So let us choose another one. Till now you can see here, till now only 3 data exchanges have been done. And when we submit here with regard to Lytics, you can see it becomes 4 now. 4, it's the fourth exchange for what we have executed now. Okay, so this ones. So the query we have given is, how do I build an audience segment in Lytics? So the associated data will get scraped and given back to the user. Like you can see here, default profiles, segment guides, and anything audience segment means, related to that. And we'll get also the related information depending upon the query, and we'll get navigated to that link, and we'll be back to the actual documentation. Okay, hope you understand everything. And what's next? These are the requirements which we need to come across through our application, like Elasticsearch instance for handling all the in searching, scraping, and retrieving back the data. And these are the requests, fast API. And hope I covered everything. And thank you for giving this opportunity to Zeotab. Thank you.